Meet Daisy, she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hi, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
I have a fresh piece of paper here, just waiting for a nature craft. A new piece of paper makes me feel like anything is possible. The sunlight through my flowers is casting a shadow. How inspiring! Would you like to make some shadow art, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Collect some interesting shapes from nature. Maybe a pine cone, some flowers, or some branches. Imagine what shapes will make fun shadows. You can even use an animal figurine.
Ooh, look at these. I found some cool shapes. Here you go. Thank you.
Yes, that's it. Just like that. Step 2. On a sunny day, place your objects next to a piece of paper so the objects cast shadows. Use a pencil to trace the shapes of the shadows on your paper.
This cow cast an interesting shadow. What are you tracing? I'm tracing an owl figure. It looks cool.
Step 3. Use colored pencils or paints to color in your shadow outlines. Choose colors that make you feel happy.
I love the color blue.
And have fun. There's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft.
This is fun.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, let's see what you've made.
Cool. I traced tulips. I traced a moose. I love nature crafts!
You're so crafty, Gumboot Kids. Check it out. I traced the shadows from the flowers on my desk. See you next time, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.